Good morning. We are on our way to Canaveral. Today we are getting on Utopia of the Seas for a 3-day weekend cruise. So this is going to be our second time on Utopia. We're definitely looking forward to it. We have some familiarity with the ship, and let's go. Hang out with us today.
And of course, start off with the seasonal Red Bull.
I got regular. I'm boring.
Yeah, he's boring.
I'm boring.
Okay.
All right, what's up? We just paid for parking. It was $85.60. They charged us for 4 days on our 3-day cruise, or 3 nights, 3 partial, 3 and a partial. But yeah, so for a 3-day, $85.60 for parking here, which, like I said, better than a plane ticket.
Yep.
We're early again. It is 9:53 and we are walking in. It's pretty empty. So, just the way I like it.
We're like almost the first people like
Yeah, almost the first people like last time. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
We are boarding Utopia of the Seas for a 3-day weekend cruise. We are so excited! Woohoo! We are on the Royal Promenade. Okay, we are on the promenade. It's a little busy, but not too bad. One of the cool places on the ship.
Are doing training and everything.
This week we had a practice off
At the Pesky Parrot.
At the Pesky Parrot.
I got a wing zinger. It's got some Red Bull in it.
I got a pain chiller. And it tastes like coconut, which I don't know why I got it, because I don't like coconut.
Mine doesn't have coconut. I love these menus. They're so cute.
So cute. This is a cool bar, but honestly, because as soon as you get on the ship, this is the first bar more than likely that you will see. So it is very busy. I would recommend going to a different bar when you first get on the ship, because then you don't have to wait. But this is definitely a cool place, and they are really quick with drinks. Yeah, very quick. But yeah, definitely come here after. Like, give the ship a couple hours to marinate, then come back down.
Well, it's nice because they actually have the drinks on tap, like their frozen drinks. They got the pesky peanut butter peanut, pain chiller, taste of tropics, and wing zinger, like in the machine where they just pull it out. So it's like instant. They don't have to actually make them. So it makes it a little easier.
A little bit easier.
And of course on this
There's an announcement going on. Tony said not to tell him, but I wanted you guys to experience the announcement too, because that's part of the joy of it.
all-inclusive beach experience.
Got that?
Enjoy beautiful beaches, pools, swim-up bars, and unlimited food and drinks.
Anyway,
All just
Anyway.
we are at Central Park.
My favorite spot on the ship.
Mint Berry Delight with Sprite. It's delicious. It's one of my favorite drinks.
Mint
From the
Berry
Trellis Bar.
Delight Trellis Bar. And those guys, we just met them. They're awesome.
One of our favorite areas.
Yeah, I love this area. It's a cool spot. It's very relaxed. It's nice. I don't know what it is, but it's cool having basically a garden in the middle of the ocean. I love it. We're gonna come back at night because it's cool at night. It's completely lit up. It looks incredible. I got a Peroni. Nothing too exciting. Once again, if I start drinking those types of drinks, my stomach would go sideways and I'd be a mess, and you wouldn't even understand what I was saying.
I had Pretty in Pink earlier from the Barley, and it actually hurt my stomach, but my stomach's good now.
Yeah, this is technically our second drink. Tony wanted me to stop at the first one, but I wanted to get into the muster station so we didn't have to mess around with
It's
that.
only 10:53 a.m.
Literally it's 10:53 and we are 2 drinks in and we're wandering around.
We walked on at 10:03 a.m.
That's one thing that's incredible about Royal with these mega ships. You have 6,000-ish plus minus of people, and they're able to turn it over so quickly. It's 10 o'clock and we're on the ship.
Yeah.
And we're enjoying it. And you know, you pay for this day, so you want to be able to enjoy it. And
Especially for 3.
Yeah, and it's great that they get you on quick. I love that. But second stop, more to come. Stay tuned.
Hi everyone, we are at Loco Fresh and we got some tacos and burritos and quesadillas.
I think I did a bad job at aiming.
I think so.
Yes, El Loco Fresh. And then also we hit up the, what is it? It's like a food truck?
Yeah, it has like taquitos and stuff like that.
Yeah, so if you love gas station food, which occasionally I do, they have like the cheese and pepperoni, like what was the chicken and
They also had chicken sandwiches and then like raspberry cheesecake
the
filled
chicken
with
taquito. Oh, it's like a Southwest chicken taquito. It's really good. Also, make sure, I always do this even when I order a pizza, I always jump in way too soon and I burn my mouth. Guess what? I burned my mouth. I burned my mouth on day 1 with the taquito. It's not Royal's fault, it's my fault because I'm impatient and I'm hungry.
And I didn't eat mine yet, so I did not burn my mouth.
Yeah, so she's smarter than me. Yeah, so it was good though. Even after I burned my mouth, I could still taste like a smidge. It's pretty good. That looks good. All right, lunchtime. Hello, we are at the Bell in Barley. I don't know if I speak with an English accent properly or not, but this is the English pub on the Utopia of the Seas.
He's practicing.
I'm practicing because we are going to London.
Next month.
Yes, next month. So I got a Newcastle. I don't know if that's a good English beer or not.
I got time for gin. Instead of club soda, I got Sprite to make it sweeter.
This is a neat space. It's not the largest space, but it's cool because it goes out to the promenade, so there is some outside seating, I guess. Oh, now we're gonna have a comment, of course, when I start videoing.
This is also the first bar that we came to when we first got on, and I had a pretty and pink.
Yes.
My favorite drink.
They also do music here, and I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, staterooms are open, which is good because we've been lugging around a backpack for the past. Yes, and it's not fun anymore. So we are having our drink here, then we're gonna go drop off our bag.
And do our room tour.
Yes, do our room tour. I think that's it. All right, so we are in our room, and honestly, we are doing a room tour as we always do, so you'll be able to see that. But when you look at this balcony, it kind of U-shapes out, so it gives you like a tad bit of extra space, but it's actually a really nice. Here we go with the Utopia of the Seas. You have a decent view of where the water show will take place. You're going to be a little bit blocked, but man. Definitely a nice view. Little carousel there. We got playmakers. We got to watch some sports, and we got Johnny Rockets. If you want you want an American classic, get you a double cheeseburger with some bacon. Hell yeah, and a milkshake. Let's go.
I was supposed to say milkshake, but it's included in the drink package.
Yes, if you have the drink package, milkshakes are included, but don't do them after you've been drinking all day. You'll feel like you want to explode.
Show the room a little bit, in case you're curious.
Yeah, just a quick glimpse at the room. We do have a room tour. I sped through it. I feel like Royal's rooms are pretty much the same, so I didn't want to overkill it, but definitely a good amount of space, especially for 2. And we're on a 3-day cruise, so with a 3-day cruise, like, we already unpacked. Dress clothes, shoes, plenty of space. Plenty of space. 3-day cruise. This ship was built for 7-day cruises, but I know they got Star running 7 days here right now. I mean, literally, we are unpacked.
Yeah.
Plenty of room.
Nice room.
Say goodbye.
one, we are at the Mason Jar.
We are at the Mason Jar. I have the Pretty as a Peach Tea drink, which is peach tea with some Buffalo Trace. So
That's
these
no
videos,
exaggeration.
yeah, these videos might start getting weird.
Whew. I got the Mississippi Moonlight, and mine's like juice. It's so good.
Yeah.
They're like so cute though.
This is a cool bar, and they do country music later on, and it's another smaller area, kind of like the English pub, but there's definitely seats. But as everything, I swear, with every ship, get there early. If there's a show at 6, get here at 5. That's the best that I could give you.
And there's specialty dining here, lunch and dinner.
Yes.
But we're not eating here. This
No,
cruise.
we are doing specialty dining. We are at Hooks and
Central 150, Central Park 150.
Central Park 150, yeah. So definitely come early.
If you want a stiff drink, the peach Pretty as a peach tea, get that one. If not, do not get it.
That was 10 seconds.
It's a sail away party!
We are sailing away.
I'm waiting for the champagne squirt on!
Hey, yo, Barley, la fiesta. Go start the party. Hey, yo, Barley, la fiesta. Go start the party.
Utopia of the seas. Are you ready? Let's go. Make no excuses now. I'm talking here and now. Here and now. Let's go.
Your time is running now. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here and now.
What you've done, it's about what you're doing. It's all about where you're going, no matter where you've been. Let's go.
We love listening to the violinists. And to finish off the night, we came down to Central Park. It's so beautiful and lit up at nighttime. We like to listen to the violinist and just have another drink before we head to bed. Overall, day 1 was great. Dinner was just okay. This is why we're doing 2 specialty restaurants, and we love Utopia because the convenience of us living so close, and then we just get off the ship Monday and go to work. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more vacation content.